Hello long ifala, olga the friends. Come make me learn something about olga the people who olga the stop first time long this fella earth. Olga the save help me for save about this fella one fella true God. Look long olga the picture inside this fella red book. Look long narbla picture time you hear him sound long guitar. Picture 1, Adam with him olga the animal. Hemlong Genesis chapter 1 verse 1 go Kasim chapter 2 verse 14. Long start, this fella earth hem no stop. God one fella hem stop. Hem is spirit, you mean no have a looking body belong him. Hem got him all get a power. Hem is have along all get a something, na hem stop long all get a place too. God hem make him all get a something inside lo this fella earth, with him all get a something inside lo sky too. Hem make him man long dust long this fella earth. God hem make him man long spirit, make him save long God. All got a thing with him, all got a something like him, straight fella with him God. God call him this fella man Adam. Adam give him name long all got a animal where God make him. God make him all got a spirits with him all got a angels long heaven too. All got a something God make him, good fella too much long em. Picture number 2. God give him one fella wife long Adam. Genesis chapter 2 verse 15 go Kasim verse 25. God put him Adam inside one fella good fella garden through. And for look at him good fella. All got the different kind animals too he stop, but him no have a look him one fella good fella friend long all got the animal. So God let him Adam for sleep. Then take him bone long side long Adam. God make him one fella woman long this fella bone. And take him come this fella woman long this fella man. This fella man with him this fella woman to fella naked, but to fella no shame lo to play. To fella is have a talk with him God or some friends. Inside of this fella place, to fella no sorry, to fella no find him die, or evil him no stop too. Picture number 3, where sin hem start. Genesis chapter 3 verse 1 go Kasim verse 8. God tell him Adam, you kai long all get a tree inside lo this fella garden, but you know kai lo this fella tree long good and evil. Because suppose you kai long this fella, by you die. Satan one fella angel long heaven, but him no like herem God. Him come up enemy belong God. Satan come long this fella woman, also one fella good fella snake through. Satan lie on this fella woman. Tell him this fella woman, by no save die. Force him this fella woman long kai long this fella tree. This fella woman give him some fella fruit long Adam, and eat him. To fella disobey him God, and to fella no save long God, or sem to fella save long him before. To fella same because to fella naked, and to fella try for hide long God. Picture number 4. Adam with him Eve outside long this fella garden. Genesis chapter 3 verse 14 go Kasim verse 24. God put him Adam with him this fella woman outside long this fella garden. Tell him Adam, because you kai lo this fella tree, this fella ground, by no garem kai. By you work hard before you have a kai. God tell him this fella woman, by me give him big fella pain, time you have a karem pikinini. Long this fella snake, tell him, because you make him this fella, by you walk about long bell belong you. Snake, come up enemy belong man. Adam call him this fella woman Eve, meaning belong him life. If got him all get a beginning, belong all get a grandfather before. You may still step far away long God, and you may disobey him God also him Adam. But God had me promise him one full day, by him send him one full man, by him win him Satan. This fellow man, by him take him you may come back long God. This fellow man, him Lord Jesus Christ. Picture number 5. Noah with him this fellow ark. Genesis chapter 6 verse 1 go Kasim verse 22. All the beginning belongs Adam, all the follow Satan. One fellow man no more, him stop straight with him God, name blow him Noah. God him tell him Noah, by me kill him all the people, because this fella ground him full up long evil. Make him one fella big fella boat long you with him family belong you. By me send him one fella big fella flood, by him kill him all get something. Go inside long boat with him wife belong you, with him all get a beginning, take him with him you inside this fella ark, all get a man and woman, animal, and all get a bird. Make him all get a stop life. Noah him make him all get something, God him tell him. Picture number 6. This fella big fella flood. Genesis chapter 7 verse 1 he go down verse 24. Noah him warn him all the people that God by destroy him altogether. But altogether no have hear him talk belong God. Noah with him family belong him, with him all the animal or gotta go inside this fella boat. God him sat him this fella door belong this fella boat. Behind big fella rain him fall down. Big fella rain him fall down for 40 days and 40 nights. Water him cover him all get the ground, and this fella earth him full up long big fella flood. All get a man with him all get the animal and bird too all get a die. Only Noah with him all get the inside long boat no more all get a stop life. Picture number 7. God him put him rainbow, also him promise belong him. Genesis chapter 8 verse 13 go Kasim verse 22. This fella big fella rain him is top, and behind one fella year ground him dry. Noah with him family belong him, and all get the animal come out lo this fella boat. Noah him make him sacrifice go long God, and God him happy long this fella. God him put him rainbow inside long sky, and him tell him, behind by minus have kill him all get something with him flood again. Behind time by me look him rainbow long sky, by me think him promise belong me long you fella. Friends, time you look him rainbow, you think him this fella too. God by him adjust him this fella world again. Behind by me destroy him all get something lo this fella world with him fire. But you who said you believe and obey him God, you no can fright. God him give him road long you may finish, long run away, him long Jesus Christ. Picture number 8. Tower long Babel. Genesis chapter 11 verse 1 go Kasim verse 9. All get the beginning belong Noah, all get the garden plenty beginning through. God him tell him all get the for go stop long all get the place long this fella earth. But all get the people all get na like him make him this fella. All get the like him make him one fella big plus tower, make him himself go up inside long sky. God him look him all get the disobey and all get the proud, and him tell him all get the. All get the one fella people and all get a talk long one fella language. You may go down, now you may mix him all get the language belong all get the. You look long all get the people inside long picture. Olgada no save long olgada. Olgada lose him this fella tower, and olgada go and stop long olgada different places. Plenty different language and stop long this fella ground because man hemi disobey him God. Because man hemi disobey him God, hemi separate him from God, and him separate him from narfla man too. Picture number 9. Job hemi lot him God. Job chapter 1 verse 1 go Kasim verse 12. This fellow man, you look him lo picture hemi Job. Job hemi lotu and hemi offer him sacrifice long one through God. Hemi no follow him way belong Satan. Job got him plenty piginin and plenty workman and plenty animals too. God hemi bless him Job and hemi give him plenty something long Job too. One full day God hemi tell him Satan that God hemi bless him Job too much. Satan hemi tell him God that Job hemi lot him God because hemi like got him plenty something no more. Hemi tell him God, suppose you take him all got something from Job, by hemi talk no good long you ya. God hemi save that Satan hemi liar. God hemi save Job by hemi lot him even hemi no got him plenty something. So God hemi let him Satan long take him all got something from Job. This fella by hemi show him Job hemi good man long I belong God. Picture number 10. Job am inside lo big pela trouble. Job chapter 1 verse 13 go Kasim verse 22. One fella day, workman belong Job hemi take him come news hemi no good to us. Olga the enemy belong Job, olga the steal him, olga the bull macau, olga the donkey, and kill him, olga the workman belong him too. Thunder hemi kill him, olga the sip with him, olga the shepherd belong him. Olga the man no good, olga the steal him, olga the camel belong him. Narvala workman hemi come and tell him news no good true. Hem also olga the piginin belong him, olga the die finish, time big fella win, hemi break him down, this fella house, olga the stop belong him. Job hemi cut him hair long head belong him, na hemi fall down go long ground. Hem talk also God too hemi give him, na hem now hemi take him go altogether from me. Let him name belong him, hemi stop and tap. Inside altogether this fella trouble, Job hemi not talk no good long God. Picture number 11. Job hemi carry big fella pain. Job chapter 2 verse 1 go Kasim chapter 41 verse 34. Satan him tell him God, if you spoil him body belong Job, by him talk no good long you ya. So God him let him Satan for test him Job one for a time more. Satan him let him one for a big plus sick him come up long skin belong Job. Wife belong Job him talk also him. Why you not talk no good long God, make him you die? But Job, him no like him, and him talk also him long wife belong him. You me must accept him no good and good pla time too from big pla. 3 fella friends belong him, all gotta come and talk with him Job for plenty days through. All gotta tell him that God him punish him Job because him make him sample wrong, yeah? This fella time, God himself come long altogether. God show him altogether that altogether ino sabe. God got him altogether power. And him sabe long altogether something. Him sabe long good for something long you me too. And him no more emi save letem olgada easy time and hard time long mipla. Picture number 12. Job emi garem planted something again. Job chapter 42 verse 1 go Kasim verse 17. Time Job hemi look him strong belong God, hemi same because hemi doubt him strong belong God. Job hemi pray long olgata friend belong him because olgata no sabe long olgata way belong God. Behind God hemi make him Job hemi got him strong na hemi got him plenty something again. Olgata friend belong him come back and kai one time him and olgata give him plenty something long him. God hemi give him 7 fella picking boy and 3 fella picking girl. Hemi stop long fella time through and him looking plenty picking and hemi die time him all fella man through. Olgata friend God hemi save why you me save got him plenty trouble time you me save stop inside lo this fella life. Think him God hemi love him you me too much and hemi like him all got a good plus something long life belong you me. Hemi like him you me must trust him make him save give him you me victory win him Satan long strong long picking belong him Jesus Christ. Let me tell you about one man, all call him Abraham. Hemi obey him God, because long this fella, God he bless him plenty people, because long him. Picture number 13. Abraham hemi hear him sing out belong God, na hemi lose him home belong him. Genesis chapter 12, verse 1, go Kasim chapter 13, verse 4. One fella day, God hemi talk long Abraham also. Leave him country belong you, with him place belong father belong you, na go long one fella place whereby me show him you. By me give him big fella blessing, one time big fella strong, long people belong you. Because long you, by me bless him all get the people long this fella earth. Abraham hemi believe him promise belong God, and hemi make him want him God hemi tell him. Hemi go with him wife belong him, all get a workman belong him, with him all get a something hemi got him. Hemi walk about long plenty days, and him come long this fella place long Canaan. Long there, God hemi talk long him. This fella land by me give him long all get a beginning belong you. Picture number 14. Abraham with him Lot. Genesis chapter 13, verse 5, go Kasim, verse 18. Abraham hemi got him one fella one talk, name blo hemi Lot. Hemi go with him Abraham, go long Canaan. Abraham with him Lot, to fella got him plenty animals. All got the workman belong Abraham, with him all got the workman belong Lot, all got the rawa. Because all got no got him plenty kai for all got the animal long this fella place. Abraham him tell him Lot, you mean no rawa, you mean separate. You choose him any part of this fella land, you like him. Lot hemi want him this fella good fella land for all got the animal blah him, so hemi choose him this fella good fella land, colos up long river. Hemi go stop colos up long one fella town, all got the column Sodom. Then God hemi talk long Abraham again, also. All got this fella land you look him, long I belong you, by me give him long you, with him all got the beginning belong you, all away. Picture number 15. Abraham hemi meet him one fella king. Genesis chapter 14, verse 1, go Kasim, verse 24. All got the people long Sodom, all got the wicked too much. 4 fella king, all got the fight with him Sodom, and all got the win him. All got the king where all got the win, all got the take him family belong Lot, also him prisoner. But Abraham with him olgata man blong em, olgata go take him Lot from olgata enemy. Time olgata come back from this fella fight, olgata meet him one fella big fella king. Name blong him, olgata call him long Melchizedek. Hemi king blong Salem, hemi mean him peace. Melchizedek hemi take him come bread with him wine long Abraham, and hemi tell him also, God hemi happy to mas long you. Hemi help him you for win him all the enemy belong you. Abraham hemi give him all the gifts long this fella king of peace. This fella king like him give him all the gift long Abraham, but Abraham no like him. Abraham no like him accept him all the gift long this fella wicked king. But Lot think blo him no straight, so him go stop long Sodom again. Picture number 16. Abraham count him all get a star. Genesis chapter 15 verse 1 go Kasim verse 21. God call him Abraham friend blong him. Tell him Abraham behind all get a beginning blong Abraham by how to come up people blong God. But Abraham is sorry true because no got him one fella beginning. Then God take him Abraham outside and tell him, you look up go long sky and count them all get a star. You by got him planted beginning also. Abraham believe him promise belong God, and God happy to us long him. God tell him Abraham also one pla day all get the beginning belong him by take him this pla land belong Canaan. Picture number 17. This will beginning Ismail. Genesis chapter 16 verse 1 go Kasim verse 16. Plenty year he go finish, but Abraham with him wife belong him Sarah to play no got him one fella beginning. Then one fella day Sarah tell him Abraham, you sleep with him work Mary belong me. I think by him carry him one fella beginning for me. So work Mary belong Sarah Hagar Babule long Abraham. Sarah cross to mas long Hagar, and look him Hagar no good. God send him angel belong him come long Hagar, and come forth him. Tell him by give him one fella beginning boy long him, and by all gata call him name belong him Ismail. Ismail by got him planted beginning, and by people belong him come up strong fella. Ismail come up father belong all the Arabs today. But God tell him Abraham, wife belong you Sarah, by him got him one fella beginning, and long him by me keep him all the promise belong me long you. Picture number 18. Sarah laugh. Genesis chapter 18 verse 1 go Kasim verse 15. One fella day time Abraham 99 years and Sarah 90 years old, three fella workman belong God all gata come long two fella. Sarah make him some fella KK and give him long Abraham, and Abraham take him go long all gata outside long house. Then one fella more workman belong God, talk also. 9 fella months from today, by Sarah got him one fella beginning boy. Sarah step inside long house, and hear him this fella. No believe him, so laugh. Then God ask him Abraham also, why now Sarah laugh? You think any something hard for God? Also God promise finish, Sarah got him one fella beginning boy, time him all fella finish. All gata call him name blow him Isaac, mean him laugh. Picture number 19. Abraham hemi pray for Sodom. Genesis chapter 18, verse 16. Go Kasim chapter 19, verse 29. God hemi thinking long spoil him Sodom because all the people, all the wicked to mas. Hemi tell him Abraham for one him by hemi make him. Abraham hemi remember Lot and hemi talk also him. By you spoil him all the no good man, with him all the good man too. God hemi got him all the straight for thinking for judge him all the man. Abraham hemi ask him God long save him Sodom. God hemi tell him also, suppose me find him 10 full man inside long town by me no save spoil him all the. All the workman belong God, all the go down long Sodom. One full man no more hemi straight, name him Lot. All the workman belong God, all the tell him Lot long run away from this full town. Then God hemi send him fire come down from heaven. God hemi spoil him all this full town long Sodom. Lot with him two full beginning girl belong him no more, all stop or all safe. Picture number 20. Abraham hemi offer him sacrifice. Genesis chapter 21, verse 1, go Kasim chapter 22, verse 19. Beginning belong Abraham, Isaac, hemi grow strong for a young man. Then God hemi try him Abraham. God hemi tell him also, take him beginning belong you Isaac, and offer him long me, also sacrifice long me. Abraham hemi trust him God too much, so hemi obey him. Hemi save that God by making him live again. Kolosav Abraham hemi kill him Isaac no more, God hemi talk along him awesome. Abraham, you no kill him this fella boy. Now me save, you put me first time through. Because you no save hold him back, beginning belong you from me. Then Abraham him look him one fella ship, hemi hang up inside long bush. Hemi kill him this fella ship, also sacrifice long God, make him no kill him boy blow him. Picture number 21. All fella Abraham with him workman belong him. Genesis chapter 24, verse 1, go Kasim of chapter 25, verse 26. Time Abraham am all full true, hemi call him workman belong him, and tell him also, go back long country belong me, and find him one full wife, for picking in belong me Isaac. Abraham am not like him Isaac, for leave him this fella land long Canaan, or take him one fella wife from this fella land long Canaan. So this fella workman hemi obey him Abraham. So God hemi lead him this fella workman belong Abraham straight long all the people belong Abraham. Time hemi come long there, hemi find him one fella good fella girl name belong him Rebecca. Isaac with him Rebecca to fella got him one fella beginning, all the call him Jacob. Hemi come up father belong this fella big fella nation Israel. All the people long Israel, all the stop long this fella land long Canaan. From Israel, one fella man hemi come out long him, hemi save him all the man long this fella world. Picture 22. Jesus hemi born. Galatians chapter 4, verse 4 and 5. Matthew chapter 1, verse 18, go Kasim verse 25. Talk belong God, hemi true volkata. God him tell him Adam that by him send him one fella man, by him win him Satan. Hemi warn him Noah that by him spoil him all get a man where all get make him wrong. God hemi show him lo job that hemi want him all get a good plus something long you me. And him show him Abraham that by hemi keep him all get a promise belong him. Inside lo this fella picture, by you look him, this fella baby all get a call him long Jesus. Hemi born inside lo this fella land long Israel. Mother belong him all get a call him long Mary. Because hemi no sleep with him any man before. Hemi belong line belong Abraham with him Isaac. Father belong Jesus, hem this fella one true God. Jesus hemi this fella man where hemi take him come blessings long all get a man long this fella whole world. Hem this fella man where hemi come for defeat him Satan and take him me come back long God. Picture number 23. Die belong Jesus. Galatians chapter 3 verse 13 and 14. Jesus hemi grow up olosem man. Hemi tisim the people long all the way belong God. Hemi make him plenty miracles where hemi saw him hemi come from God. But all the man no good, no save believe him. All the kill him and all the kneel him long cross where all make him long stick or wood. One fella soldier hemi shoot him long side belong him. Hemi die true. Friends, God hemi tell him Adam that suppose all the cake fruit long this fella tree by all the die. You may all the disobey him God and pay belong this fella by you may die long this fella kind die whereby he may not stop life behind. And Jesus hemi die and hemi take him this fella punishment from you me finish. You think him how God hemi give him this fella sip long Abraham for kill him send him Isaac? God hemi give him this fella only beginning belong him for die send him you me too. You remember how God hemi tell him Adam that by hemi send him one fella man whereby hemi defeat him Satan? Satan hemi lose finish time Jesus hemi die long you me. Strong with him power belong Satan hemi finish. Picture number 24. Jesus hemi stop life. John chapter 20 verse 19. Go Kasim verse 29. Body belong Jesus all get a put him inside long grave. But 3 day behind hemi come life again. All get a friend belong him, all get a look him. But one fella long all get a name belong him Thomas, no stop one time all get a long that fella time. Behind all get a tell him Thomas, me fella look him Jesus finish. But him no sabe believe him all get a. Then Jesus hemi saw him himself long all get again. Hemi saw him Thomas mark long nila inside lo hand belong him, and mark long spear long side belong him. Jesus hemi tell him Thomas, you must believe in me, you no can doubt in me. Hemi good fella Thomas long all get a man where or get a believe in me no matter all get a no look in me. All get a friend, you may no can think also Thomas where hemi doubt him God. You me must all get a awesome Abraham who hemi believe long all get a promise belong God. Time me garden faith long Jesus, by you me save long God and take him life where hemi stop all time with him.